Hello, come. I'm going to sing today a Tongan song at last, a Tongan song, and it's going to be an old song, but I'm going to show you how to play it with the piano. I'll try with the piano today because I've always played guitar or something. So this is how you're going to play. If you don't know much about piano, we'll just do a basic, and that's how I would play it with the guitar. So come into one of my daughter's room, and she's not here today. Come. This is the piano, and this is the old piano. So the name of the song is ISE ISA, and it's a Tongan old song. No one knows where it is coming from. Some Fijians, some Samoans think that it's their song. So I'm going to sing it. So because of my voice, I think I'll do it on a key of E. So E, F, G, A, B. So E and A and B. You know that, Tina. Can you see that? So I'm going to do. So we're going to sing Tongan. And E, F, G, A. And A. These are all the A's. A, B, and B. So if you know piano a little bit, that's B. B, 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 B. So those are the only three. Tina, can you see this one? Oh, not that one. Anyway. So now this is the little song I'm going to sing. And it's a love song, and it's nice, and you know, ISE ISA, viola, hina, fisimoto. It's all beautiful flowers, and you're my love, but you're going away, and I'm here, and I'm really dry without you, you know. And it's really, really just nice love song, you know, missing your loved one when she's gone. He or she's gone. Now, listen, I'm trying. This is how I would play the guitar, but I'll try to be not too loud. ISE ISA, viola, hina, fisimoto, matala, lilifa, neong, and this is some people made it in English also, something like this. ISE ISA, you are my only treasure. That's not a very good voice. Must you leave me so lonely and so blue? Every moment, no, as the roses will miss the sun at morning. Every moment, my heart for you is yearning. Tua It's on now. It's on now. Now go like this. Okay, there. Hospital. Two. Then. And this is Hagley Park. Okay. Still on. No, hold on there. Hold on there. Can you face it that way now? Only. Okay, good. Yeah. And, oh yeah, you can get the gondola and wait for me. This is not